problem, we are going to first be looking at a diagram, and given measurements, we are going to find conductance. After we do this, we are just going to answer a simple question about resistors right here. We're first going to look at this question, and in doing this, it'll help to refer to the notes that are linked below in every video. And in this section on conductance, we are going to see that voltage is equal to I divided by G. Now we want to find conductance, which is G, so we're going to rewrite this formula so that G is equal to I, which is current, over V, which is voltage. So now we can just plug everything in. So we have G is equal to I, which is 32 amps. Then we have our voltage, which is equal to 60 volts. Both of these are given, and if we plug this into a calculator, we can see that G is equal to 5.33, and this just continues. The units for this are just A divided by V, which results in siemens, so we'll have an S here as units, and this is our answer. If we look at the next question, we're asked a resistor. If we look at the next question, we are told a resistor is a passive circuit element. Resistors can only absorb or deliver power. We need to fill in the blank with our answer. So the resistors only absorb power. They don't deliver power. They're resisting the flow of electricity, and how they resist is by absorbing power.
If you guys find this video useful, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. I'd love to hear more from you guys. Have a good one. See you in the next one.